Hello some viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video we are going to discuss how we can resolve this issue. The application Zoom.us is not open anymore. Okay, how to resolve this, guys? For that you can do, I'm using Mac OS, you can use command plus option plus escape. Okay, so now you can use command option plus escape. Now here you can select Zoom.us, here you can do force quit. Okay, if it will ask you, do you want to force quit Zoom.us, click on force quit, close application, click on close. Now what you do here, you restart your machine, click on here, click on restart. So once you restart, click here, click on Zoom.us, click on here, and you can see Zoom application is now opened. Hope you like the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care, have a great day, bye bye.